Namaste everyone. How are you guys?
Yeah, good, thank you. How are you?
I'm
Hi,
also
namaste
okay.
ji.
Okay, so let's begin our class. Sit in any comfortable position on your mat. Close your eyes. Keep your neck back straight in one line. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Again, take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now we'll chant 3 times Om. Take a deep inhale. Om. Oh. Join your both palms together in front of the heart center. Rub your both palms. Apply the face, apply the eyes, apply the whole body. And gently pull down the head towards God. And while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Okay. Now come in front of a mat for sun salutation. We'll start with sun salutation 8. Ekam inhale, raise your both arms up over your head. For Urdhva Vrikshasana, we'll start with sun salutation 8. Exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. 3D inhale, look front, lengthen the spine for Ardha Uttanasana. Chatwari exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Pancha inhale. Shat exhale for downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hold there for 5 counts. Try to touch your heel on the mat. Lift your tailbone high towards the ceiling. 1. Keep breathing. Deep inhale and exhale. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front into halfway look up, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Nava, inhale, all the way come up for Urdhva Vrikshasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, Ekam, inhale. 2, exhale. 3D, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Again, hold there for 5 counts. 1. Keep looking at your navel point. 2. Your gaze should be towards your navel point. 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front between your both palms for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, go fully forward down for Uttanasana. Inhale, all the way come up for Urdhva. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round, Ekam, inhale. 2, exhale. 3D, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Vrikshasana. Shat, exhale, Adho Vrikshasana. Again, hold there for 5 counts. 1, Deep inhale and exhale. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Ekam, inhale, hands over your head. To exhale, keep your both palms beside your both feet. Trini, inhale, look front into halfway, look up. Chatwari, press your palms and exhale, jump back into Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, sweep yourself up. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ashto, bend your both knees, jump front. Exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Last round, Ekam, inhale. Tue, exhale. Trini, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Asto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Okay, now we'll do Sun Salutation B. Ekam, inhale, bend your knees, touch your fingertips on the floor and raise your arms up. Come for the chair pose. Keep your knees back from your toes. Do exhale, bend down. Trini, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Roll your shoulder, open your chest. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha. Lift your hip high. Sapta, raise your right leg up and bring your right leg front between your both palms for warrior A. Veerbhadrasana. Front leg 90, back feet slightly 5 degrees in. Keep your knees straight. Back knee straight. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front between your both palms for warrior A. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Chaturdasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Now hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Sudasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up. For the chair pose, exhale, Samasthiti. Now we'll do the second round. Ekam, inhale, come for the chair pose, Utkatasana. To exhale, bend down for Uttanasana. Trini, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashta, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Dasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back. Triyodasha inhale, Chaturdasha exhale. Hold. Now Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasa exhale. Saptadasa inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now third round. Ekam inhale, come for the Utkatasana. Do exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Three inhale, look front for Ardha Uttanasana. Chatwari exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale, Urdhmukha. Shat exhale, Adho Mukha. Sapta, bring your right leg front for Warrior A. Ashta, exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhmukha. Dasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for Warrior A. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale, and Chaturdasha, exhale. Now Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front into halfway look up, Ardha Uttanasana. Sodasa, exhale, Uttanasana. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round, again, Ekam inhale, chair pose. Do exhale, Uttanasana. Three inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Chatwari exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale, Shat exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for Warrior A. Ashta, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhmukha. Dasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for Warrior A. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold 1, 2, deep inhale and exhale. 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Sodasa, exhale, bend fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fifth and last round, Ekam inhale for the chair pose, Utkatasana. Do exhale, bend fully forward down. Three inhale, head up. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale, Shat exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for Warrior A. Ashta, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhmukha. Dasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale, go fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up. Exhale, back to Samasthiti. Do Kati Chakrasana. twisting pose. You will only twist with your thoracic. Don't twist your waist. Your waist will not move. So Zaini ji, your waist will be still, just your upper part, upper thoracic will move. Okay. Okay, now we'll start with the first pose. Stand into Samasthiti in front of your mat. Ekam, inhale, jump, open your legs, shoulder width apart, and keep your both palms on your waist. Okay, but not like this. If I am in Samasthiti, I will jump. This is Samasthiti. I will jump like this. I will open my leg, shoulder width apart, and keep my both hands on my waist, palms on my waist, like this. Both toes front. Now try to pull your both elbows closer to each other behind your back. Do not keep your elbows out. Just keep your elbows closer to each other. No, in standing position only. Yeah. Contract your shoulder blades, open your chest. Exhale, bend fully forward down. Bend down. Yeah. Grab your both big toes with your first two fingers. Up. You have to grab your big toes from first two fingers like this. Yeah. Inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Straight your both elbows. Try to push your lower back down and open your chest as much as you can so your spine can be straight. If you cannot, you can slightly bend your knees so your spine will become straight. Now, do exhale, bend your both elbows out and try to look between your both legs. Down, fully forward down. Bend with your both elbows and try looking between your both legs. Bend your elbows like this out. Yes, hold there for 5 counts. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 3 inhale, look front, straight your both elbows, and exhale, place your both palms under your feet for Padhastasana. Again, inhale, look front, lengthen the spine. Ekam, inhale, look front, lengthen the spine. Do exhale, bend fully forward down and bend your both elbows out and hold there for 5 counts. Look between your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Exhale, keep your both palms on your waist. Keep your both palms on your waist. The way we have gone, we will come back same. Inhale, all the way come up. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, jump back to the Samasthiti. Yeah, remove. Very good. Now we'll do Utthita Trikonasana. Triangle pose. Ekam, inhale, send your right leg back 4.5 feet apart. You have to send your right leg back. Yeah, right toe we will always do for first right side. Okay, right toe out, left toe in. So from this position, I will send my right leg back. Right toe will go out and left toe will come in. Okay, guys, and again look, I'm sending my right leg back and turning my left feet So my hips, so my face or my leg will go to the right side. Okay. Again, send your right leg back and right toe will go out and left toe will come in. Yeah, very nice. Both arms by the side. You have to raise your both arms by the side. Your hip will be front, not squared, like your hip will front. Now exhale with exhalation. You have to stretch. First stretch, do not straight go down. First stretch front. Engage your side oblique and feel the stretch. Exhale and then go down. When you feel that I have reached to the maximum, then grab your big toe from your first two fingers. Keep your both knees straight and inhale. Look up towards your left hand up. Open your chest, push your hip in. Your hip is going out now. Now you have to push your hip inside and open your chest towards up. Look up towards your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Trini, inhale, come up. And now change your side. Left toe out and right toe in. Chatwari, exhale again. First stretch yourself front to the left side. Do not directly go forward. First stretch your arm properly to the left side and then go down. Grab your left big toe from your first two fingers and look up at your right palm. Hold. Again, push your hip in, chest out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again, look down. Pancha, inhale, come up. Now from the here only, turn your right toe out and left toe in. Now we will do revolved triangle pose. Now in revolved triangle pose, you have to square your hips. Very nice. Square your hip. Now place both hands by the side only. Now twist with your upper thoracic and place your left palm out of your right feet. Place your left palm out of your right. Very nice. And inhale, look up at your right hand. Hold. Very good. 1. Very nice. Suzanne ji, Hedi ji. Very good. 2. Maintain the balance. 3. Keep your knees straight. 4. And 5. Exhale, look down. 3. Inhale, again come up. Chatwari, change your side. Exhale, left toe out, right toe in. Drop your right palm out of your left feet and left arm up. Look up towards your left arm. Very good. Open your chest as much as you can. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again, look down. Pancha, inhale, come up. And back to the Samasthiti. Samasthiti. Stepping your right foot front into Samasthiti. Very good. Now we'll do Thita Parshkon Asana. Side angle pose. Now send your right leg back again, 4.5 feet apart. Right toe out and left toe in. Bend your right leg at 90. Bend your right leg at 90. Again, you have to keep in mind your knee will not go much more front than your toes, and your knee will also not be your knee should not be back from your heel. Just your knee and your toe or ankle should be in one line. Left toe in. Raise your both arms by the side. Do not square your hips. Keep your hips front. Keep your hips front. Do not square your hips. Okay. So you will not keep your hips like this, front side. Keep your hips front. Exhale. Exhale, drop your right elbow on your right knee and sweep your arm from down to up and look up towards your left hand. Open your chest. Very nice. One. Very good. Keep pushing your pelvis down. Sink your pelvis down. Two. And stretch your arms front. Three. Four. And five. Ready, inhale, come up again. Sweep your arms back. Now left toe out and right toe in. Now bend your left leg at the knee at 90. Exhale, drop your left elbow on your left knee. Inhale, sweep your right arm and look towards your right hand. Hold. One, very good. Two, three, four, and five. Pancha, inhale again, come up. Now turn your right toe out and left toe in. Again, bend your left leg at the knee. Now you have to square your hips. Square your hips. Yeah. Now drop your left elbow out of your right knee. Drop your left elbow out of your right knee. Yeah. And make namaste like this. Twist yourself and look up towards your right side. Very good. Sink your pelvis down. Keep pushing your pelvis down and knee straight. Back knee straight. Hold. One. Two. Three. Four. And five. Exhale, look down. Treni, inhale, come up. Chatwari, exhale, change your side. Left toe out, right toe in. Place your right elbow out of your left knee. Again, make namaste. And hold. One. Twist, open your chest. Both shoulders can come in one line. Two. Three. Four. And five. Now slowly inhale, exhale, look down. Inhale, come up. Stepping your right foot front back to the Samasthiti. Now we will do Parasarita Paduttanasana A. Send your right leg back 4 feet apart, both toes front. Your both toes should look towards my side. Both toes front. Okay, like this. I will send my right leg back and I will stand in front. My toes will come in, my heel will go out. Okay. Keep your both palms on your waist and lift your chest up. Open your chest, lift your chest up towards the ceiling. Exhale, bend fully forward down. Now we'll do Parasarita Padottanasana A. There are 4 variations. We will do the first variation. Drop your both palms. Drop your both palms between your both legs. Inhale, look up, lengthen your spine. Suzani ji, open your legs, move wider, move wider. Yeah. Inhale, look up, lengthen your spine. While lengthening the spine, proper push your lower back down, open your chest. Now exhale, bend your both elbows and look between your both legs. Do not make a hump on your back. Try to move forward with your hip joints. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Exhale, keep your both palms on your waist. Chatwari, inhale, come up. Exhale, release your hand. Keep your both hands by the side. Yeah. Now we will do the second variation of Parasarita Padottanasana B. Okay, inhale, raise your both arms by the side like this. Exhale. To exhale, keep your both palms on your waist and lift your chest up. See one thing, you are just keeping your palms and you are not activating. If you will keep your palms, you should elevate your spine and lift your chest up. Now, Training exhale, bend fully forward down with your hip joints, keeping your spine straight and pulling your elbows closer to each other. Pull your elbows, contract your shoulder blades, try to touch your crown head on the mat. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chatwari, inhale, come up, all the way come up, directly come up. Yeah. Now we will do Parasarita Padottanasana C, third variation. Inhale, raise your both arms by the side. And to exhale, interlace your fingers behind your back and lift your chest up. Exhale, bend fully forward down, dropping your head on the floor. Very good. Hold 1. Try to touch your crown head on the mat. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chatwari, inhale, come up, all the way come up. Exhale, drop your both palms on your waist. On your waist, yes. Inhale, lift your torso up, lift your chest up. Again, the fourth variation of Parasarita Padottanasana D. And do exhale, bend fully forward down. Grab your both big toes from your first 2 fingers. Inhale, look front and lengthen your spine. Now, Training exhale, bend your both elbows and look between your both legs. And hold there for 5 counts. 1, try to touch your crown head on the floor if you can. Push yourself a little bit more. 2, bend your elbows out. 3, 4, and 5. Chatwari, inhale, lift the torso up, straight your arms. Exhale, keep your both palms on your waist. Pancha, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, return back to Samasthiti. Samasthiti, yes. When you jump, you can jump and return back, or you can step your foot or front for the Samasthiti. Okay, now we'll do Parshvottanasana. Send your make namaste behind your back. Make namaste if you can, like this. Yeah. Now send your right leg back, 4 feet apart. Right toe out and left toe in. Hidiji, turn yourself to the right side. We always do first to the right side. Right toe out and left toe in. Right toe. Yeah. Keep your both knees straight. Keep your hips square. Inhale, lift your chest up. Again, lift your chest up. And do exhale, bend fully forward down towards your right leg. This is also called pyramid pose. Now touch your chin on your chin. Very nice. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Training, inhale, come up and change your side. Left toe out and right toe in. Chatwari, exhale, bend towards the left leg. Try to touch your chin on your chin. And again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, return back to Samasthiti. Remove your hands. Shake your hands, shake your legs. Now we'll do Utthita Hasta Pad Angusht Asana. Now bend your right leg at the knee. In standing position only, bend your right leg, lift your right knee up. Right leg, Hediji, right leg. Hediji, your right leg. Yeah. Grab your big toe from your first two fingers of your right leg. Straight your knee front and lift your trunk or your torso up. Though exhale, try to touch your chin on your shin and lift your leg up towards your chin. Keep your another palm on your waist, left palm on your waist. Exhale, try to touch your chin on your shin. Go forward towards your right leg. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, maintain your balance, keep your both knees straight. 2, you can take the support of the wall if you can. 3, 4, and 5. 3 inhale, come up, lengthen your spine, straight your knee, straight your leg. Chatwari, exhale, take your right leg to the right side and look left side, palm parshu drishti. Keep your toes, big toe grabbed, look left side, hold 1, maintain your balance. 2, very good. 3, 4, and 5. Pancha again, bring your right leg front. Exhale, shut, exhale, try to touch your chin on your shin. And Sapta, release your leg for Ekpadasana. Ekpadasana, you have to release your leg, but keep your leg in the air, front at 90 degree. Straight your leg, Hediji, straight your leg, hold 1, pull your toes in, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Drop your leg down. Now we'll do the same thing, Utthita Hasta Pad Angusthasana, with our left leg. Ashto, bend your left leg at the knee, grab your left big toe from your first two fingers. Inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, try to touch your chin on your shin. Again, hold there for 5 counts. 1, maintain the balance on your right leg. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nava, inhale, come up. Dasha, exhale, take your left leg to the left side, look right side. Dakshin Parshu Drishti. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ekadasha, bring your left leg towards front. Dwadasha, exhale, try to touch your chin on your shin. Triyodasha, inhale, lift your chest up. And Chaturdasha, exhale, release your leg for Ekpadasana. Hold 1. Keep lifting your leg up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release your leg down and shake your leg. Now we'll do Ardha Baddha Padmuttanasana. Now bend your right leg over your left top of the thigh. Not like this properly. You have to place top of the thigh like this. Yes. Now grab your right big toe with your right hand behind your back. Try, if you cannot grab, it's okay. You can place just like this. Okay, inhale, lift your left arm up. Do exhale, bend down and place your left palm out of your left feet. Hold there, maintain the balance, slow. Go down, place your left palm out of your left feet. Fully forward down, yes. And now keep your knee straight, your left knee. Hold 1, very good. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Treni, inhale, all the way come up. Chatwari, release your leg, release your hand. and shake your leg. Now we will do the same thing with top of the thigh. Again, grab your left feet with your left toe with your left hand and right arm up. Do inhale, raise your right arm up, and exhale, ready, drop your right palm out of your right feet. Again, hold, maintain your balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now exhale, release and shake your leg. Now sit down, relax yourself for a few seconds. This is all for today. We have done few asana of our primary series, some standing postures. After this, there are one Utkatasana and 2-3 postures more, and then we will go towards the sitting sequence. So that we will do tomorrow. So just sit in any comfortable position. Keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Again, take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now we'll chant one time Om, followed by 3 Shanti. Take a deep inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your both palms together, rub your both palms. Apply on your face, apply on your eyes, apply on your whole body. Gently bow down your head towards God. And thank God for giving us strength for today's class. While blinking, open your eyes. Namaste.
Namaste.
So if you want to ask something, you can ask. If you have any questions related to asanas we have done today.
To grab the toe, the right toe with the right hand. Can I use a strap?
Yeah, you can use strap. If you have, you can use strap or belt, then you can try.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Heidi ji, you have any questions?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Then namaste, take care. See you tomorrow.
Thank you. Namaste.